What is up, everybody? Sawadee pi mai, sawadee kap. That is right. Today we are talking about Thai Happy New Year. Sawadee pi mai. Songkran 2019. So if you're unaware, Songkran is one of my, maybe actually my favorite holiday ever. Like ever. Christmas is great and all, and I love Thanksgiving, and Halloween's cool, but Songkran, it's a nationwide water gun fight. Everybody's involved. I mean everybody. Babies, your mom, your grandma's cousin who you never met before, and then there you are. You're shooting her in the face with a water gun. You don't even know this lady's name. So that's what it's all about. It's insane. It's so much fun. All the Thais get in on it, and foreigners are completely welcome to join in with the fun. And yeah, Songkran, it's just the best time. It's a huge water gun fight. And unfortunately this year was canceled due to COVID, but what I do have is some great footage from 2019 in Phuket. So I have Phuket Songkran. The start of the video, you'll see me riding around in a little, basically what it is, it's a motorbike. My friends were standing on the side of the road, and some mom with her two little kids said, "Hey, do you want to hop in?" So boom, we hopped in the side trailer and we're going around shooting people, and yeah, it's just amazing. So check it out. It's time of my life, and maybe it can inspire you to hopefully one day get yourself out to Thailand and come sometime in April, and you can experience Songkran as well. So here you go, the world's biggest water gun fight, Songkran 2019 in Phuket, and yeah, let's have some fun. Wait. Are you serious? You haven't subscribed yet? Dude, hit the button below, subscribe. Come on, man. What are you doing? Subscribe. Alright, now let's continue.
โอ้น้ำมันบักแตงโมโอ้น้ำมันบักสมโอโอ้นี่คงเป็นบักพร้าวน้ำหอมโอ้จังมนุษย์อ่องตองแท้โอ้คือเป็นกำมันยกร่องแข่งงอมโอ้คือมันใหญ่เอาหายแห่โอ้เห็นแล้วอยากได้คือสิเป็นตาไปคันเห็ดน้ำหูบอกว่าอายนั้นมักคนดีหูบอกว่าอายแค่ความข่าวจังสีคดีเทิงขาละเทิงเงาเทิงใหญ่ลูกผู้ใดมาถือใจแท้นออันนั้นละมันละของแท้บอจากมูลพ่อหรือจากมูลแม่เป็นยังคือให้มาหลายแท้ให้หลายจนหาจะใส่บ่ได้เว้ามาแล้วเป็นตาอายเหลือใจจนเก็บไปฝันคิดพออันเจ้าได้กอดได้หอมได้ดมดมได้ชื่นได้ชมได้ดมเจ้าได้หอดโอ้ยคือสิดีกันไปจังสี่ทุกอย่างได้หอดเกือบอย่างในนาทงน้อยได้เก็บปากไข่มาต่อยกินกับเจ้ามือนี่ละเสียวเข้าคือเล่าไปหาแนวมาเบาทำแม่